guys, welcome to another day, another vlog. I am actually on my way inside to get my hair braided. I think one of you had asked me on one of my last vlogs if I could show you guys when I'm changing my hairstyle, but honestly, girl, when I do change my hairstyle, I'm not thinking about picking up the camera, but I'm trying to, keep you guys in the loop. So right now I'm going to get my hair braided. I'm getting some knotless braids, and let's see how much I can film in here throughout this process. So if you're new here, my name is LaMonica. I do beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. So let's go get my hair braided. Let's go. So my hair is finally done. But this lady's prices went up. When I first started going to her, it was $30 cheaper. And now it's $30, of course, $30 more. Yeah, they look good. Not even gonna complain because they look good. But I think we're about to go get some food. So I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. I didn't even check in with you guys. Yesterday, I think I showed y'all like me getting my hair finished. And my head was hurting so bad that I just was so irritable, I didn't even want to pick up the camera. But today, it feels a little bit better. It still is a little tight, but I can't complain. It still came out bomb. So today is Friday, and we actually just made it to our church retreat. And we're about to get ready to start a session for tonight, just to open up the weekend for prayer and praise and worship and things like that. So I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'm going to try to pick up the camera during the pieces that, are feasible. And I'll try to pick up the camera to keep you guys like updated on what a prayer retreat consists of. Of course, doing those like breakout sessions and the times that I'm not actually praying. But I hope you are well, wherever you are, wherever situation or circumstance you're in. I will be praying for you as well. And I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. Bye. So you guys, today is Sunday. It was an awesome time. Awesome time on our retreat, our prayer retreat. And now it is time to kind of get some rest. I'm really exhausted, but if you've never done a retreat before, I encourage us all to definitely tap in to whatever church you're in, to go on a retreat and just tap into what God is trying to get you to get on the next level of in your life. We all need those moments, those spiritual moments of just getting clarity and just having that one-on-one time with Him without any distractions, Got the goods. So I'm leaving Five Below, and I came in here because I needed a new tripod because I'm holding my camera right now in my hand and no tripod. But I also watched Too Much Mouth, and she had this kit. So I'll show you guys this kit once I get home to see how it's gonna work out. But excited about that. It wasn't $5, it was $10 though. But yeah, I'll show you guys what that looks like later. So yesterday I went to Five Below and I saw this kit. I was like, let me go see if my Five Below got the kit. So I wanted to check it out, and they had it, and I was so excited. It was actually $10. So I don't know what's up with that. And then I guess because inflation, everything has gone up, just like Dollar Tree is no longer $1, it is $1.25 where I am. And then here at Five Below, this was not just $5, it was $5.25. Or maybe like certain electronic items, I guess, will be a little bit more. But anywho, this is the smartphone vlogging kit that includes a pistol tripod, a shotgun microphone, a universal phone mount, and a 36 bulb LED light. But this is what it looks like. I'm so excited about this because as I was saying yesterday, I always like have my phone, my camera or whatever, my phone in my hand just like this. It's never on a tripod. The tripod I do have sometimes can't go into my smaller bags, and like I like to like carry some smaller bags sometimes and not always big bags. So, and then you guys right now are propped up on my main tripod, like my big one that I do like sit down content. But I also picked up this little Prime Connect one, this smaller one. If you guys can see that, this is what this tripod looks like. I've been wanting this particular size too, and it just holds up the phone like this. So this is a smartphone tripod with a mount adapter as well. 6.1 inch, fits up to 6.1 inch devices. So got both of those from Five Below, but I'm really excited about this because like right now, I just want to test out this mic. Now I don't know how bulky this is going to be, you know, putting this light on and everything, but I'm hoping I can connect just the mic with the phone and not worry about this unless I'm doing like, I'm trying to vlog at nighttime. But I definitely am excited to try this out. Something came in the mail yesterday, and it actually came early. So the drop with VickyLogan, if you don't know who VickyLogan is, girl, what you doing? Anyway, the drop was supposed to come like mid-August. I am so excited because these pieces came in. They came in so early. And I'm so excited to try this out. So I just picked up two pieces. This is the top and this is the bottom. So we're gonna try these on and see what they give it. I am so excited. Shout out to VickyLogan. Adore her, adore her, adore her. So this stuff actually came early, and I ordered all of my stuff in a size medium. So let's try this stuff on right now. All right, so here is the top. So this is bomb. Like this colorway, the print, very, very cute. The material is super comfortable. It is like a cotton material, which I wish I would have looked at that a little bit further because I'll talk about the pants in a second. But this is the top, and you can wear it like a dress, she was saying. It comes down really, really far. Let me see if I can, don't mind my area over there. But it comes all the way down. Really, really cute. But the pants, don't mind this tank top. It's permanently stained. Literally just took it out the dryer. And these pants are tight. Let me bring them down. Like they're tight right here. But the length is really, really nice. The length is long, like I like these type of pants. And I didn't know, that's my fault that I should have probably read the material. I just wanted to quickly try this on for you guys. But so yeah, I am probably gonna try to figure out if I can send those pants back and just keep the top part, because I really do like the colorway of the top part, and I can do a lot. You can finesse that top part. You can wear it as a dress, as she mentioned in her video, as well as I can like put on some white jeans or wear it as a swimsuit cover up. You can do so many things with that. So I'm gonna keep the top part, but the pants, not really feeling, they're not really flattering on me. But the length of them, I do like the length of them. So I just wanted to unpack that and share that with you guys. The VickyLogan drop, the Amazon drop, and then also what I picked up from Five Below yesterday. So now I'm about to make me something quickly to eat. It is 10:35. I have a meeting at 11, so I need to get something in my system. I need to get some water. Sometimes I do intermittent fasting, and sometimes it's just like whenever I just listen to my body when I'm hungry. So I think I want to make a smoothie bowl, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and add some protein to it. Yeah, so I'll make the smoothie bowl and I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, bon appetit. So I put some frozen mixed berries to make my little acai base, and added some vanilla protein. The protein that I use, the protein powder that I use is still my Timmy Wellness protein. This is the vanilla one. So good. Almost done with that. But I added some blueberries, some chia seeds, bananas, vanilla granola, strawberries, and drizzle some honey on top. So I'm about to eat this during my meeting, and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so this is the future LaMonica. I realized I do not have an outro on that last clip. I said I'll see you guys tomorrow, but that was not the case. This heat, your girl be exhausted, okay? And so I'll be forgetting where I left off. But nevertheless, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you don't miss any vlogs that I'm posting or any content videos. I have a lot to come down the pipeline, but I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Come and join the fam. It definitely helps your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.